Welcome to this new video. Today I am going to tell you that how can you convert kilowatt into kVA. This is very simple. Divide kilowatt by power factor. Total power divided by power factor, you will get your kVA rating. For example, if you have 50 kilowatt power and your power factor is 0.8, divide your power by power factor, you will get your kVA power. It's very simple, it's very easy. So whenever you are going to convert kVA into kilowatt or kilowatt into kVA, you can convert by using this rule. But one thing is very important. This 0.8 power factor is different in different regions. If this power factor is 0.9 in your country, you have to divide power by 0.9. Here in my region, its value is 0.8. That's why I divide my power with 0.8. Next, how can we convert HP into kilowatt? For this horsepower, if you are going to design a project like factory or something like that, in factory, mostly they will use machines, so their power will be in horsepower. So if you are going to design or if you are going to work in a factory, so you must have to know how to convert HP power into kilowatt, and this is very simple. Multiply 0.746 with horsepower, you will get kilowatt power. Now there is a question you can ask, why we are multiplying this 0.746? But there is a long calculation behind this. This is a thumb rule. So if you want to learn this calculation, comment below and tell me that you need calculation. I will provide calculation. But don't worry, this is thumb rule, and you can multiply this with horsepower and you will get kilowatt. Next, here I am showing you a small distribution board. After covering these all topics like how can you convert kilowatt into kVA, HP into kilowatt, and how can you convert kilowatt into ampere, we will be able to design a small distribution board. And you must remember that in a distribution board, we used to call it dB. There will be a MCCB. Here you can see in picture. First of all, there will be a MCCB and power supply will come inside this MCCB. This is called main incomer. After MCCB, there are some ELCBs. Here are 1, 2 and 3 ELCB. One ELCB is for lighting, one ELCB is for sockets and water heaters, and one ELCB is for AC. So every ELCB have some MCB. If there are 4 rooms, then definitely in every room there will be a different phase. So we need a separate MCB to control this phase. First there will be MCB, then ELCB, then MCB. After MCB, there will be a wire, and this wire will go to the point where exactly we need power supply. I hope you understand all these things, all these basic things. So if you think now you learn how to convert kilowatt to kVA, kVA to kilowatt, and HP to kilowatt, and then after knowing that what is MCCB, where we can use it, what is ELCB, MCB, wire, and where this wire will go. In next video, we will design our distribution board, because the first thing in the building is DB. We will start from distribution board. If you will see drawing or designing or something like that you will see by reading we will go from down to up, but in designing we come from top to bottom. First of all, we design DB, then we design a SMDB for all DBs, then these all SMDB will come in main panel or in main DB. So this is the process. In next video I will tell you that how we can design DB. And if you want what is MCCB, this is called molded case circuit breaker, ELCB, earth leakage circuit breaker, MCB, miniature circuit breaker, and definitely you know wire. If you are using three-phase system, then definitely there will be 3 wire, red, yellow, blue, and fourth will be earthing, and fifth will be neutral, and its color will be black. Thank you.